Hello guys, welcome to AK Academy. Today we are going to learn about standard deviation. Okay, before starting this video, I would like to recommend you to view my previous part, that is part 3, in which I have covered mean and variance. Okay, so let's start. This variance of x. Standard deviation is under root of variance of x, as you can see here. So just you have to find variance and the root of variance, you will get standard deviation. This sigma, standard deviation, is denoted by sigma. Okay, this is nothing but standard deviation, it is denoted by sigma. Okay, we'll see a question based on how to find variance, mean, and then standard deviation. So your all doubts must be clear in that. So let's start with a question. The PMF of X is equals to the major defects in randomly selected appliances of a certain type is, it is a probability mass function table. Find the expected value and the standard deviation. What is this expected value? This is nothing but a mean, E of x, summation of xi pi, and the standard deviation is our sigma, that is nothing but under root of variance. So in the sense we have to find expected value, that is E of x, expected value, and then variance of x and sigma. Okay, so let's go through the solutions here. I've copied that probability distribution table. So let's move to the solution. First we have to find expected value, that is E of x. What is the formula for E of x? Summation of xi p of xi, that is, it is nothing but pi. Okay, it is nothing but pi. Okay, so xi means the value at random variable x, and pi means the value, the probability at that random variable x. Okay, so according to formula summation of xi pi, summation means addition. Okay, so multiplication of xi and pi, 0I plus 1 into 0.15 plus 2 into 0.45, see here, 3 into 0.27, 3 into 0.05, and then solve it, you will get answer as 2.06. So we have got the expected value, we are about to find the variance. Okay, here the formula of variance is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. Remember, both of these are different, where E of x square is summation of xi square, the square of these random variable, multiplied by pxi means pi, that is probability at that random variable, square of random variable multiplied by probability at that random variable, minus E of x the whole square. This is the square of the mean. Okay, square of the mean. Okay, so E of xi square pi means square of 0 multiplied by 0.8, that is nothing but 0. Square of 1 multiplied by 0.15, square of 2 multiplied by 0.45. Here it is written square of 3 multiplied by 0.27, square of 4 multiplied by 0.5. Here it is written minus. Now what is this minus? You must be confused. Don't confuse guys, this minus in the formula. Okay, this is 0. This is minus, and 2.06, where it has come from, where it has come. Okay, it is come from here. See the value of E of x is 2.06. You have calculated now before. Okay, so let's move further. Here we are here 2.06 the whole square. Why whole square? The formula says E of x the whole square. Then just add it and subtract it. You will get the final answer as 0.9364. Now you didn't get the standard deviation, you just got the variance. Okay, so let's calculate the standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation is under root of variance of x. Okay, standard deviation is equals to under root of variance of x. We got variance as 0.9364. So standard deviation is under root of 0.9364. After square rooting this, you will get the answer as 0.9678. You can calculate using a calculator. So our expected value is 2.06 and our standard deviation is 0.9678. I hope you have got the concept of standard deviation. So I end up with this, and remember my next topic will be on differentiation, that is dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x, with some shortcuts and formulas obviously. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon guys.